Hi, today I'm going to show you the right way to cut a mango. For whatever reason, I haven't been able to find anyone, including professional chefs, show the right way to cut a mango. Most professional chef videos show cutting a mango by holding the mango like this and jabbing into it like this. That is a great way to go to the hospital. Never, ever, ever cut a mango that way. This is the right way to cut a mango. First of all, this is an Atuo full mango. It is the superior mango. Kent mangoes are terrible. Get these if you can instead of Kent mangoes. So you can tell which side the pit is in because when you hold the mango this way, one side is longer than the other side. The pit is a flat disc, so the pit is going to be this way. So put the mango like that, hold it like this, cut just off center. The mango pit is about 1 centimeter wide. And just cut like that. Easy. Then do the other side. Basic knife safety. Never, ever, ever slice towards your own body. Every video of professional chefs I have seen has them, from this step on, they cut the mango like this. Professional chefs should not, they should know better. That is a completely wrong way to cut anything ever. Hold the mango like this. Cut like this. See, the knife is pointing away from my hand. And then from here, you just peel the skin off. It just comes right off. And then you can just eat it like that. It's easy, it's delicious. This is the right way to cut a mango. Not sure why so many people haven't heard of this mango cutting technique. But literally every other video out there is doing it wrong. So be safe, understand basic knife safety, cut your mangoes safely. Don't end up in the hospital with a knife through your hand. Thank you.